Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights. Today, we're tackling a critical step for any company entering the region, your labeling strategy. The ASEAN market is harmonizing under the ASEAN Medical Device Directive, or AMDD, which is fantastic news. A key part of this is the Common Submission Dossier Template, the CSDT, which standardizes documentation in English. This makes a market like Singapore, with its English language norms, a very attractive entry point. Many companies successfully launch in Singapore with an English-only label and dossier, and then assume they can simply replicate this process for neighboring markets. This is a potentially costly mistake. While the AMDD provides a framework, labeling requirements remain a national responsibility. A strategy that works perfectly in Singapore can lead to significant delays and budget overruns in countries like Thailand or Indonesia. For instance, Thailand mandates that labels for all home-use medical devices must be in both Thai and English. This isn't just a suggestion, it is a strict regulatory requirement for market access. Imagine your product, already manufactured and packaged, being held up at customs because the labeling is non-compliant. This forces a complete halt to your expansion plans. You are now faced with reprinting all labels, redesigning packaging, and managing a logistical nightmare, all while your competitors are reaching patients. This is why a proactive, pan-ASEAN labeling strategy is not a luxury, it's a necessity. The most successful companies bake AMDD-driven norms and local deviations into their core dossier from the very beginning. This means preparing a master dossier that uses English as its foundation, per the CSDT, but also includes appendices and validated translations for key markets. For example, your quality management system should have a process for creating and verifying Thai, Vietnamese, and Bahasa Indonesia labels as part of the initial design phase, not as an afterthought. This integrated approach allows you to use a single, robust technical file to enter multiple markets concurrently. Instead of a sequential, country-by-country process that takes years, you can achieve parallel submissions. This dramatically accelerates your time to market and maximizes your return on investment. It transforms regulatory compliance from a bottleneck into a competitive advantage. Navigating these nuances requires deep, in-country expertise combined with a global strategic vision. If you are planning your ASEAN market entry and want to build a resilient regulatory and labeling strategy, please email us or visit our website. You can reach Pure Global at info@pureglobal.com or learn more at pureglobal.com.